The magic of reading. Today, I discovered the magic of reading. I picked up a book about adventures in space. As I read, I imagined flying in a rocket ship and visiting different planets. I felt like an astronaut exploring the universe. The story was full of exciting characters and challenges. I loved how the words painted pictures in my mind. When I finished the book, I felt happy and inspired. I learned about stars and galaxies, and it made me curious to learn more about space. Reading is like going on a journey without leaving my room. I can visit new worlds and meet amazing friends through books. I want to read more stories and explore different topics. Reading helps me dream big and imagine endless possibilities. I can't wait to find my next adventure in a book.